Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about ClickUp app subaccount from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate different actions directly from your workflow app for your ClickUp account. So how do we set it up? You come here at the app marketplace, you search for the app, ClickUp, you have ClickUp subaccount. We go on ClickUp, we go on install, allow and install. There's a API key required here, a token. You also have a smart queue here, which is going to lead you on how to get that API key. But let me show you how to get it. You just have to switch to your ClickUp account. Inside your ClickUp account, you come here, drop down, you go on settings, you come here on apps, API token, generate. Your token is generated. You make sure you copy it, it's copied, and you switch it back to the account and get it pasted. Shows the plan and you confirm installation, and you have on install. This means that the tool is already connected to your ClickUp platform. Now you guys are able to execute your actions directly from your workflow app for your ClickUp account. So this is very amazing, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team was available 24/7. Thank you for watching this video.